So I want to be able to translate my articles in the Tyap Wikipedia to other dialects like Grok, Takat, Fantom, Tuku, Techrak, Sholyo, and um, okay, that is it. So I would first of all go to Google, then I will browse the homepage of the Tyap Wikipedia, kcg.wikipedia.org. So I see something appear, then all I need to do, Nanat Mali, I go to the home and then I'll search for any article, maybe at random. Sansayang, I'll go to Sansayang. So I want to translate a page like Jour, for example. So I would first of all go to an article that already has the template, like Godo already has the template embedded. You can see the template is below Mabadodo, Phantom, Gorok, Sholya, Takat, Tuku, and Techrak. So whenever an article is created in that very left, it will change to green, to blue color. So I would go right in there. So now I am logged out, so I have to log in by clicking on more. And if you have not yet signed in, you do not have an account, then you have to come to Shenwai rather, Shenwai or Shenwo. Then click on more, then my password is already there, then I click on more and I'm logged in already. So I have Godo now I can see all these dialects down there. So the page, once it opens, anything from so anything from one, this curvy bracket, down to this very place. So I copy after highlighting, then I go back to the article I chose, Jo. So once it is open, I go to the pen tool, and then just below the data box, I'm going to paste whatever is I copied. Then within this place, you see this full page name. This represents this very dialect. And then Zoaliat Phantom. The Zoaliat, the phrase or the compound word Zoaliat would actually translate to dialect. That is Phantom now. And then the Godo we have here would have to change to Jo. And you know the way Phantom call language, that will be Liam in bracket / Phantom. So we are going to write it the way, but then Phantom doesn't seem to have the G sound, so it will be G, Jo, 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 LM Jo. So I'm going to go to Grok and then replace that Godo also, and then the way Grok will call Jo, I'm not so sure, but I think it's Jo. I'm not so sure. So for those who speak Grok can help to edit this. And then for Sholyo, I also don't know. I'm not sure. And then I paste it there. And then for tetrarch, I'm also not sure. Then I paste it there. So we have for tetrarch, for tuku, for takat, for sholia, for grok, and then for phantom, the Mabaldo homepage. They are all having that very template. So now all I need to do is to click on the forward arrow, and then when I check the preview, I can see them here below. Then all I need to do, maybe I say template, template, or template. That's what I just did right now. Template, Lilium. Then I publish it. So now at the end of the day, under this very show article, someone who is good in font form now can copy whatever is here and then come to this one and then create this very article in font form. So we can practically do it in the next video. Why?